So as you read in the title, today I'm gonna be making some changes because I've been looking like this like for a pretty long time now, so I just want to change a little bit. You know, it doesn't hurt anybody and it makes myself feel good. So if you want to see how I do all this stuff and whatever, keep watching, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Also before we start, I just want to say that everything that I'm gonna do today, it's my mom. Okay, so I'm just gonna give her credit right now because she's amazing. She's literally a hairdresser, a nail artist, a makeup artist. She does everything. She's also a baker. She's so talented and I love her. So she's the one who's gonna be doing all this stuff. I'm not going to it so long. And yeah, just wanted to say that I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna start with the video. Okay, so really quick, this is how my hair looks right now. I had highlights back when I turned 16, and then I had my money pieces right here, but look at them now. I barely have anything left. The color of my roots right now, like this dark color, it's my natural color. It's my natural hair as well. But when I was 12, I started dyeing. Like right now it's like super grown, but I had blonde right in the back of my head, and I would dye it like purple, pink. I'm gonna put some pictures throughout. I said all this so you guys can see. You can see if I had like a ponytail or a braid, and it would look so nice. Like I literally loved everything I did. And then I stopped doing that when I turned 16, that I wanted to do like a bigger change in my hair. It wouldn't look good to have like highlights with color. It was a little bit a mess, you know, it was too much. So I stayed with a blonde piece in the back, and I still have it, but look, it's so grown now, and I only have it like in the ends. And it's the same thing for the rest of my hair. You can see some highlights here and there, but it's like not too much. But yeah, that's basically the story of my hair. And right now everything is gonna be gone because I'm going back to my natural color. But hear me out, I'm not gonna dye my entire hair. I'm just gonna dye these little pieces right here. No more colors, no more blonde, natural. So yeah. Okay, so I'm in my regular setup now, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair. But before I do that, I'm gonna take some heat protector. I'm trying to protect my hair, so I'm just gonna take a little bit. This is like an oil. I only put it at the ends because I don't want my hair to look greasy. Since my hair is like super thin, let's go ahead and dry my hair. It looks good like this, but I feel like I want to do something else. New hair, I'm trying to do something else, not look like the same. So I think I'm gonna do some loose curls. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. We're going all out, baby. So this is the outcome of the waves. They look so nice. It's like I don't even have to do them like that. I have pretty good eyebrows, I must say, but I'm still gonna do them, so. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is change. Are you serious right now? Okay, so I'm gonna make another little change, which is my nose ring. So I bought this yesterday. My favorite one is like a gold type of color. I don't really like silver one, and this was gold, but with the time now it's silver. So I'm gonna take it out for like the first time in like a year, because the thing is that this one has this little dots over here. I don't think that's gonna fit in my nose, but the reason why I bought it like this is because you can see where it meets the two things right here. I don't know how to explain it. It's just like this. I don't like that. I don't want to see that. I'm just gonna do it. Pull the other end. There we go. Now I'm just gonna take it out. I haven't seen myself without this piercing like in forever. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up. Okay, cute. I'm done. I did it. It looks good. I love it. Now this is actually Mariana, and I'm ready to start with the makeup. For today's makeup, I'm gonna do a cute fall smoky eye. Okay, like always, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. Every time I get my eyebrows done, for me it's like easier to do them. So I'm just gonna like cover up any space that I have between my hairs, but nothing too crazy. So to clean them up, I'm gonna use concealer for the bottom part and foundation for the top part. Last week I went and bought a new concealer because I'm gonna use this really light. Look at the difference. I bought this one because I'm gonna underline my eyebrow and also to conceal my eyelid, so I have like a lighter base to work with the eyeshadows and everything. For today's eye makeup, I'm gonna use my beautiful James Charles palette. I'm gonna start with Benny, which is a really dark brown, and basically I'm just gonna start packing that up and I'm gonna blend it out like this. Now that I have something like this, I'm gonna use code James to blend this on the edges, and that's gonna give the color that I want. So I'm just gonna start blending this out. I'm just gonna keep adding this orange tone until I have the pigmentation that I want. Okay, now that I have the two browns, I'm gonna add the last color, which is black. So I'm gonna take a Spooky. I'm just gonna pack this really close to my lash line, and I'm gonna start like blending it a little bit. I'm also gonna take the dark brown that I've been using to blend the edges of the black shadow I just applied, so everything looks good and clean. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I've been blending for like 5 minutes, playing with those 3 colors, and basically it's just intensify each color. I'm gonna clean my under eye right here because I had like a lot of fallout. So now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna do a tiny eyeliner. I'm gonna use my liquid liner to do a tiny little line in my lash line. I'm gonna use like a gold type of highlight, so I'm gonna put it here in my inner corner and then on my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go back again with my eyeliner and I'm gonna do my tiny cat line here in my inner corner. Now to finish my eyes, I'm gonna put on my lashes, so I'll be back in a second. Lashes are on and I already feel beautiful. Like, I don't even need foundation. No, I do need foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I'm gonna speed up through the process because then this is gonna be super long. So yeah, let's fast forward. Okay, now to finish up my bottom lashes, I'm just gonna apply a little bit of mascara. Okay, so I'm officially done with the eyes. The only thing that I need is my lips, which I think I'm just gonna stick with what I always do, which is nude lips. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown pencil. This is like a red nude type of lipstick. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna take this nude lip gloss and I'm gonna apply it in the center only. And that will be my lips for this makeup. And just a little bit of brow gel. My eyebrows are looking so good today. Okay guys, so we are done with this beautiful glam makeup. Before I go, let me do a little montage and close up of this beautiful makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is it for today's transformation, I think we can call it. We did a lot of things today. I am in love with my hair, with my makeup. I think it goes really well. Changes are good, you know, when you feel like it's necessary. I mean, just go for it. I mean, don't go completely crazy, but like, you know, changes like this, sometimes it works to make you feel beautiful even though you already are. If you feel down, just get up and get ready, you know, for no one, just for you, for yourself. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this little transformation I had. I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. I don't know. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. That will make me super happy. And I'll see you guys in the next video.